This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York AM session. Today is August 18th, 2025. I'm currently watching Bitcoin for a potential short position. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing on my charts top down. So here on the daily chart, overall having in a buying dealing range. This Fibonacci retracement is to the buy side currently, but here you can see there, actually let me back up, here on the daily, the monthly liquidity here has been swept or has been rated here, so any buy side liquidity that was resting above this level has now been taken out of the market, and now I would look for the market to seek sell side here on this larger time frame. To this price here at a minimum. So looking for some sell side. Also seeing this here, a potential, this blue line being a market structure shift. So with this candle here for the day, zoom in again, this candle here on the day could close and create a market structure shift to the sell side, which would signal potential continuation to the sell side. Here on the 60-minute chart, looking at, you can see from yesterday over the weekend, prices have sold, been delivered to the sell side, and if we come over and look at price, you can see price is right here in this area. So I'm looking for potentially price to sell through this dealing range here on the 60-minute and currently targeting this liquidity here. There's going to be sell side liquidity resting right below this level. So this is where I want to target. And then here on the 5-minute, here, getting this price action here this morning. So this line here being the 6:30 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. New York time. So with this line here looking to the left here, you can see this buy side liquidity was swept, and then if we go further to the left, we can see this area here where this buy side delivery was here, which swept this buy side liquidity that was resting up here from the previous session. So with this liquidity raid from the previous session, my bias is going to be to the short side here. And you can see that price has pulled back and traded into this fair value gap right here, which you can take an entry here, but I prefer to take entries when price at least pulls back to equilibrium, when there's a fair value gap present. So you can see there's only one fair value gap here on the 5-minute, and it's right here at or below equilibrium. So where price gets bought up into here, I'll take an entry at equilibrium, and then you'll see my order here, my stop loss is this green line here. So my stop loss just above this candle's high, right here above the current range that I'm trading off of here on the 15-minute. But you can see getting continued sell side delivery here. After that, trade into the fair value gap, just the lower end of the fair value gap. Now you can see price consolidating down here in this area. So the next target on liquidity would be here, this sell side liquidity resting right below this level here. But as you can see, price has failed to reach that. So my trade idea is that price will trade back into this fair value gap up here to equilibrium, or maybe a little past, and then continue sell side delivery. Also here on the 60-minute chart, with this price action here on the 5-minute, this is in correlation with this price action here on the 60-minute, which trades into this fair value gap right here. So now just waiting for potentially price action to trade back into my direction. So also this here, this yellow line here is the opening price at 6:30. So if I want to take a short, I only want to take a short when price action is trading above this level. And then vice versa, if I wanted to take a long, then I would want to have it below this level. So right now, price action in a position for a long, but my bias is to the short side just based on the liquidity that has been taken out for this session. So with buy side liquidity being swept from the previous session, my interest is on the sell side liquidity currently. But as you can see, price is consolidating here around the 114.950 level currently, and getting some buy side delivery here coming in. 114.980. Still consolidating here. Then this target here on the daily, you can see is targeting this swing low here. There's a swing low here that my target is also set to. Starting to see some volatility here. So economic data was released a little over 13 minutes ago. So we'll see if this economic data will create a situation where we can get the price delivered to the buy side into this limit order. Price currently trading at the 115.50, buy side delivery with speed, 115.80, 115.100, 115.120, 115.150, 115.180, getting some consolidation here, strong buy side delivery with speed in this previous 5-minute candle, getting some continuation here, 115.180, consolidating. Still getting used to the ICT methodologies here. So trading small size and keeping the account size small. Trying to keep myself out of trouble here. Getting some sell side delivery, 115.100. Consolidating, 115.120. Sell side delivery here again, 115.100. You can see the gap in price has now been filled here. Now I would anticipate price action to return to the buy side into the limit order now. Now that price has rebalanced itself. 115, 120, 115, 150. $115, $150, $115, $180, price consolidating here, 115, 180, 115, 200. Price testing the far end of the fair value gap here. My order is 20 cents just above the fair value gap, 115 to 13.8. So about $10 away from the limit entry and entry. And price consolidating here around the entry. Getting some sell side delivery, 115, 180. 115, 150. Continued sell side delivery here. Some consolidation. Return to sell side delivery, 115, 150, less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Price consolidating here around the 115, 150 level. Sell side delivery with speed here, 115, 120. New 5-minute candle. $115, $180. Some buy side delivery here. Consolidating. $115, $200. 115.220. Price consolidating here. $115,200. Price still consolidating. 115,220. 115,250. Price consolidating here around the 115,250 level. Price just tested this purple line here, which is the midnight opening price for New York. Price has just tested this level here, and getting some reaction to the sell side currently. Price still trading here, 115, 150, now 115, 220. Sell side delivery with speed here. And 115, 115, 250 again. $115,280. So whatever is going to shake out here is going to take some time. 115,300. There is a fair value gap on the 15-minute that is right in this area that price may try to reach into. 115, approaching 115,350. So that level may be approached here. Let's pull it up here on the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, there is a fair value gap between this candle here and this candle here. So there's a fair value gap that price may trade into here. Stop loss 115,688.1. $115,450. So 449.9, 446.9. So very close here. Let's see if it reaches into that fair value gap. I'm getting some buy-side delivery and consolidation here. With that 5-minute fair value gap being below equilibrium, not my favorite entry or position there. So I'm going to try this one, which is well above equilibrium here. And price trading just below the entry here. And entry here on the 15-minute. Getting a return to sell side delivery here. I'm back at my entry point, now trading below. Getting some sell side delivery here with speed, 115, 400. Getting some sell side delivery here. Price trading 115, 320. $115,300. $115,320. New 15-minute candle. Getting some sell side delivery here. 115,250. 115,220. Sell side delivery with speed. 115,120. $115,100. $115,080. Consolidated. 115,120. Some consolidation here, 115, 150. Price reacting off of this 8:30 a.m. level here, which was the economic data release here. So there's been a new 15-minute low put in here from the previous candle. So price action looking pretty good now to the sell side. Whatever is going to happen here for the rest of the day is likely going to take all day, I would imagine. But I'll likely be back for the PM session to give an update on the position if I am still in it. But if you'd like to know more, check us out at ontilttrading.com. This is today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy for the New York AM session. Trade safe, trade smart.